This piece is fundamentally a piece about dance, the joy, the passion for movement, the gift of the dancers that they give to the audience of sharing their bodies, sharing their sensations with an audience. There were some obstacles with COVID. Red countries, not red countries, can I travel, can I not travel? And what we decided to do is to start over Zoom. And of course, it's completely different to work over Zoom than to work in a room. Through Zoom, you don't get details immediately, but you can get a big picture. Is the movement traveling enough in space? Are the dynamic changes good? We had problems of internet, I see the dancers dance and then all of a sudden they freeze or I freeze. Of course, it's difficult. And then the moment I arrived, we started to play with that material. We added some more. I changed things that once I arrived here, I realized are, in camera they looked a certain way, but when I'm here, I see they lack, for example, of three-dimensionality, And then we proceeded fairly quick to organize scenes in a meaningful way. And here we are. Every time you are a little statue. Foot, 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 foot. In my work, I feel that the body is really the center of the attention. The pleasure of living in a body and having a body, and the fact that it's a miracle, all the things that we can do with it, all the incredible things that dancers can do with it. Dancers spend so much time getting to know their body, sensing their body, organizing their body. And I think it's so amazing that someone decides to dedicate his or her own life to that. And then I think it's a beautiful thing to share with an audience. I think something that I would really hope to happen is to create a desire for movement in the audience. That the audience would look at this and be like, oh wow, dancing is beautiful, I want to dance too. That's something that would make me very happy. Something that is really great about this experience is that I get to work with people I never met before. The dancers are completely new to me. The space is new, the city is new, the costume designer is new, the light designer is new. And I think there is something really great about a first meeting and the action of getting to know each other and how can my work have enough space to contain the vision of other people. And how can the vision of other people adapt and morph into what I imagine. And in this collaboration, I have to say that I'm getting lovely surprises from the material that the dancers create. And the same is with costumes. We had a lot of back and forward, and the first time I saw everything, I was like, oh wow, that's far from what I imagined, but it's also, I don't know what I imagined, and now I see something and I'm liking it. And I love the fact that the imagination of other people actually fuels mine, and that the point is not necessarily my vision coming through, but I'm just an initiator for something that allows everybody to bring their best. This is something that really touches me, to see how something is being born. It's far from what I thought it would be, but it's far better than what I thought it would be.